Are you a golfer and you're struggling to get back in the swing of things after suffering an injury to maybe your back or your neck? Well, the spine specialists at Barrow Spine and Rehab Center, they say before you consider surgery, there may be another option. Please welcome Dr. Parul Goel. She is the pain management physician at Barrow Brain and Spine Rehab. Great to see you. So what kind of injuries do you guys see?
Yeah, as golfers use their entire body during the golf swing, and this golf swing is such a repetitive motion, we see a lot of overuse injuries that can affect the entire body.
And when we're talking about injuries, I mean, obviously we're talking about golfers in this particular segment, but I can imagine anybody who suffers an injury to the neck or the back, it's very severe.
Absolutely. This is not only specific to golfers, but can affect anybody. Some of the more common injuries that I see are in the low back and neck, where individuals can suffer from muscle strains or disc herniations. Another common area of injury is the joints. So for example, in the shoulders, we'll see rotator cuff injuries or bursitis. We see inflammation of the elbows, which is commonly known as a golfer's elbow, and then knee injuries as well, where there could be ACL tears or medial meniscus
And
tears.
so many people just want relief.
Yes.
You know, what can be done to treat these kinds of injuries?
Yeah, so at Barrows, we have an excellent physical therapy program. So this program works on range of motion exercises, which can improve flexibility, stabilization exercises, which improves balance, and then core strengthening.
And what are some of the new therapies that are out there right now that people may not even consider or maybe haven't even heard of?
Yeah, one of the new therapies that people may not be aware of is something called kinesis therapy. This therapy uses variable resistance and multiple planes of motion, so this would improve flexibility, strength, and this would mimic functional activity. So this could improve not only the golf swing, but also prevent other injuries.
Oh my goodness, what a wake-up call for people who are saying, you know what, I'm in so much pain, I'm considering surgery. This is a great option.
Absolutely.
And tell us a little bit about the therapy. How long does it take? Is it painful?
It's not painful, actually. It's something that would be done about 2 to 4 times a week and really specifically work on the limitations or the needs of that individual. So it's a very customized type of treatment.
And so how does the injection therapy, how is it helping patients? What are they telling you once they receive these injections?
Yeah, so injection therapy is done for people who do not respond to physical therapy, over-the-counter pain medications. It's very helpful because it delivers anti-inflammatory medications directly to the site of the injury. So this can lead to more rapid pain relief and allow people to get back to their life activities much more quick.
I can imagine that, yeah, I was about to say the bounce back time is going to be considerably better. All right, we're talking about golfers, which you're not saying that women and ladies don't golf, but mostly men. And it's tough to get our guys into the doctor sometimes. So when they come to you, the injury, it probably has been exacerbated when they get to you.
Yeah, it's very important to treat the injury quicker than later. And in this way you can prevent the injury from recurring or getting worse, where then treatment is even more difficult.
So when people hear about this type of therapy, the kinesis, is that right?
Kinesis.
When they hear about this type of treatment, they're probably going to be more prone to coming in to see you
yes,
a lot sooner, because they feel like maybe I haven't waited too long because it's going to make it worse, the tear or, you know, the injury worse.
Exactly. And this really kind of replicates the injury, what you're trying to improve on. So it really helps not only the swing, but prevents other injuries from occurring.
All right, we want to get you back to that scratch golfer that we know you are. For more information, please call Barrow Spine and Rehab Centers. The number's on your screen, 480-767-0555, or visit barrowbrainandspine.com. They have a location in Phoenix as well as Scottsdale.